Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review on these M&M Food Market. These are peanut butter and jam bars. Now the reason someone told me that I went by and I looked at what they had to offer for gluten-free sections and certain dairy allergies of any sort. So this is, if you look here, this is vegan. So I was actually quite surprised when I found something vegan. So this does not contain like any type of dairy. But it doesn't have a certification on it, but it is gluten-free, okay? And if you can take a look, here are the ingredients here. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. There are some just nuts and things like that you'll see in here. So it's peanuts, strawberry jam, gluten-free flour, there's sugar, some tofu's in there, soybeans, but it does have sugar in there, okay, so just be aware of that. But yeah, we're going to open this up and do a quick taste test to see if it actually tastes any good. So let's open this up. I've never really shopped at these places, but I wanted to see what they have to offer. So that's what it looks like when you open it, guys. And it's frozen, so I'm going to have to thaw it out and then and do a quick taste test. So be right back, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here it is, all defrosted. I'm going to do a quick taste test to see what it looks like. So this is vegan, and I'm kind of curious what it tastes like. There you go, if you guys want to see what it looks like. Okay, so it's definitely sweet, but there's a lot of peanut butter in this. It is so gooey, full of peanut butter. So I think if you're a fan of peanut butter, you're probably gonna like this. But it is sweet, guys, so be aware of that. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel. And it has a almost like a Reese's peanut butter cup sort of taste to it. So it's got a lot of that peanut and sugary, but no chocolate. Think of it that way. And a slight, very slight jam flavor, so like a strawberry jam. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.